What's up, guys? Today we have an unboxing of the new AirPod Pros, and it's gonna be a one-handed unboxing, so I'm ready for that, and let's do it. There's the box. AirPod Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case. Cool. Similar box to last time. Let's get it open. And let's do it. And there it is. Looks completely identical to the last one, I think. You have the new speakers here to find it for the tracking, which is actually very cool. Have this. Looks the same as the last one. I think the size, is it almost the same? Not 100% sure, but I think it is. Oh, it just beeped, so you can hear it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it looks pretty similar. Not much is different. Let's see what else is under here. You have your charger. A very pretty long cable, actually. Interesting. Don't know if it's in my head or if this is a longer cable that comes with the iPhone. That's pretty cool, I guess. And oh, and they have the extra sizes. Extra small, large. There you go. That's about it. You got a long cable, you got speakers on the outside, and room for a whatever lanyard, whatever that's called. I think it looks slightly thicker than the last one, so yeah. LED is a little bigger too. Cool. Thanks for watching the unboxing, one-handed unboxing of the new AirPod Pro 2s.